I know you think when you're not okay. Tell me what's wrong. Why never said you felt that way? And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long. It hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
How to apply for a green card, a lottery in the US. So today I'm going to show you a very simple way you can do yourself and be able to apply for this. So just open your browser on your computer, type US green card lottery, then go to this site. So go to DV programs. For this one, visa program, click on it. Also, guys, it's important to remember that this runs between October to November of every year. So always remember, it is during that duration you can do this. So you have to read all through this just to understand the instructions and photo example for what you need. Remember, this is the right website URL. So avoid going to different sites. This is the one which is legit. So go to begin entry. So type this just to get into this. So M3 JJK5. Just submit. So it brings you to this page. Now you have to enter your family name. So call it my first name, call it this key. My middle name, I'll call it data. So on gender, I am a male. So date of birth, I say 10th this year of this. Okay. So go to city where you were born. So I was born in Mombasa. So guys, don't be amazed of what is happening. It's just that I had done this earlier on. So it's just that speaking up my data. So the country where I was born, so this should be Kenya. So for the country of eligibility, you need to read this just to know that whether your country is eligible, but for Kenya it is, so you say yes here. So then you have to do a photograph. So it's good to remember that this photograph has to have some specific specifications to be able to be allowed to go through. But for now, I'll just choose one of my photos. Then I will see whether it is able to go by the rules which are set by the site. So I'll choose that. So for in care of means that the mailing address you're using is not yours. For example, using for church, a mailbox, you're using maybe a school or any institution. So you just put it here, but it's also optional. But if you're using yours, so you can put mine. And then the city is Mombasa. This of the county is Mombasa again. The postal code is that for me on my side. And so you just type as for this one, for example, let me just not click on them. So just type whatever postal code it is for your side. So for the country again, choose Kenya. So for the country where you live today, so for me, I live still in Kenya. So for your phone, it's optional. You can put or don't put. So for me, maybe I'll give it. So I'll say this is my number, for example. Okay, that's my number. Then so yeah, like that. That's my number. So then you go to the email address. So this one you type yourself. So the email address, then I retype it here. It needs to be the same email address. So for the what is the highest level of education you have achieved as of today? Very important note that the minimum qualification of your level of education should be high school degree. Anything below that, your form will never go, your application never go through. It needs to be here and going up this. So whichever it is, choose it correctly and it will be okay. So for me, I'll say university degree. So if you want to learn more about the minimum qualification, just click on this website and it will lead you to more knowledge of what you do. So what is your current marital status? I will say unmarried, but if you are married and your spouse is not a US citizen, you choose this. And if you are married and your spouse is a US citizen, you choose this. If you are divorced, this. Widowed, this. Legally separated, depends. But if you choose either of these, you will have to enter the same details as you have done for yourself from top to the bottom. All these details, you have to put them for your spouse now. When you click here continue, it will take you to that page now, like the same page like yours, but now you fill for your spouse. So that's something you need to note about that. So if you say unmarried, means that you don't have to declare any information from any spouse, so you are just you yourself. Okay, so always read this just to be clear on this. This is why you read about your spouse, what it means when you say this or this, so that will be very clear on the laws which are being put in place. For the children, if you have any child, for example, let's say one, the same will happen if you choose, like for the way we said for the spouse. So if you say you have even one child, when you say continue, it will open you a page like this, the same page from top, whereby now you put the name of the child, first name, middle name, and everything, gender. So the way we have done for ourselves. So you have to do this for your child. Even if there are two, you do for each individually on their own page. So that's a very important thing to note. So for me, I'll say 0 just to make it easier for you and maybe for the understanding of the procedure. So then I'll click continue. So let's see. So it says at least one data validation error occurred on this page. Please scroll down to see the specific error message. So I guess it's the photo, because it has to have specific specs. So you see here, saying your photo must be square picture between 600 to 600 pixel and 1200 times 1200 pixel. You see now, that is what they're saying. So now I need to convert that picture to fit this. So go to your browser again, maybe increase the tab, just now type how to convert our photo to 600 pixels, for example. So we open that, just open the first web URL which comes to your site. So it brings you to this page. So just upload the photo you want to convert. So I'll say this is the photo I want to convert. Now you have to enter the width. So I'll say 600 by 600. Sorry, by 600, and then say convert. So there are no destination format selected. Oh yeah, I've not selected. So it needs to be a JPG. Okay, so we select that. So then you say convert. So you're going to convert that. So it says download that. To download it to your computer. So maybe you can check where it was. It has been sent to my downloads. So I'll choose it from there. So now I go back to this and I say choose your photo. So now I go to my downloads. Then I choose this is the last one, so open. So now it comes there. So let's try again, see whether it will go through now. Okay, so we go down there and say continue. Yes, it has gone through. So now it's very important to note that you need to have those specs in place. So now they're saying that if you need to go back and make a correction, do not use the back button on your browser. Instead, use the appropriate button here or below. So you click this one. If you click here, all your whatever you had filled will disappear, and you'll have to start this again afresh. So now this is what now we read now. So it has picked these are the names. That's the last name, my first name, middle name, gender, male, birth. So every details now, just for you to cross check whether whatever you have filled is the right thing. If not, go back and do the changes through this button here. Okay, so now we proceed and check. So we check everything is okay. So me, I'm okay, I'm certified with everything. So just click submit now. Click submit. So by clicking submit now, just wait for the confirmation and everything. So always remember that in terms of the image, it's very important to follow the specs. So if your photo is not giving you the right specs, then you can do this by just coming here and filling in whatever you need to fill. So in this page of resize and converting the image, you come here, you fill the details and everything as per the requirements, and then you just download it and then paste it and choose it from your computer, and that's all. Now this is successful. So you have to, if you get this message, means that your entry for this Diversity Advisor program was received on Monday, this date, and do not close it until you have printed this confirmation page. So what you need to do is you have to print this page. So you come here, this means that it has been submitted successfully. So come here and print this page. So now you have to be connected to a printer so that you can be able to print this page, so that this one will be your, it will be like your verification, whereby when the time comes you have to verify by showing this form to whoever will be needing this for your verification of your successful or maybe being selected as part of the people who have won the lottery. So just click print and you'll be connected to the to a printer, and then you print this. So guys, this was all how to apply for a US green card lottery, and I hope this was simple and very clear for you guys to be able to follow and be able to do your application successfully. So for the support of the channel, guys, subscribe a lot and give us some thumbs ups, and we will really appreciate that. So guys, thank you, and thank you for everything, and thank you for watching.